that we celebrate Teachers' Day on 5th September every year. But as tomorrow is a holiday, we are going to celebrate it one day prior. The way you teach, the knowledge you share, the care you take, the love you give make you the world's best teacher. Myself, Tejal ma'am and our entire team is going to conduct today's assembly.
Good morning, everyone. As we know that today we are going to celebrate Teachers' Day. So, Radha Krishna believed that teachers should be the best minds in the country. Since 1962, his birthday has been celebrated in India as Teachers' Day on 5th September every year. He was one of the first who received Bharat Ratna in 1954 and also got Canton Prize for his work before his death in 1975. So, let's begin our today's assembly with Shloka. Before that, I would like to invite Shraddha ma'am and Pooja ma'am.
या कुन्देन्द्रतुषारहारधवला या शुभ्रवस्त्रावृता या वीणावरदण्डमण्डितकरा या श्वेतपद्मासना या ब्रह्माच्युतशङ्कर प्रभृतिभिः देवैः सदा वन्दिता सा मां पातु सरस्वती भगवती निःशेषजाड्यापहा आकाशात् पतितं तोयं यथा गच्छति सागरम् सर्वदेव नमस्कारं केशवं प्रति गच्छति.
Thank you, ma'am.
Positive thinking can change you, but won't change somebody else. But positive prayer can make a difference in someone else. So I would like to call Ankita ma'am, Preeti ma'am, Joshna ma'am, Sweta ma'am, Vaishali ma'am for prayer. Thank you, teachers. It was really a heart-touching prayer.
Now, I would like to call Ekta ma'am for today's news.
Good morning, all of you. Today's headline, National News. Telangana CM KCR PM Modi for Hyderabad Nagpur Industrial Corridor. Strict implementation of quarantine action against COVID violators Kerala. International news, US couple convicted in $80 million COVID-19 relief scam now on run. North Korea reject Chinese vaccine, UNICEF. Bollywood news. Siddharth Shukla passed away at the age of 40 on Wednesday, 2nd September. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Now, I would like to call Shalini ma'am for thought of the day.
Good morning all. Today's good thought is keep your eyes on stars and your feet on the ground. Having a big dreams allows us to work harder, but it also prevents us to stop after achieving certain distance. So having a big dreams, okay, we have to big dreams, but still we have to be very humble after achieving all our goals. Thank you.
Thank you, Sarini ma'am. Now, I would like to call Anand sir for some interesting fact of India.
Good morning, one and all. Today, I would like to present before you three of the India's most amazing facts of India. First, Rajasthan has the Temple of Rats and snakes and ladders, the game that was invented in India. India was the world's highest motorable road, and Rajasthan has the Temple of Rats, snakes and ladders, and then Hinduism is the world's oldest religion in India. Thank you.
Thank you, Anand sir. Now, Rahul sir is going to give a speech.
Good morning, students, respected principal, honorable teachers, and my dear students. A very good morning and a happy Teachers' Day to all of you. Today, I am going to present some of the important facts on the life of Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan was born on 5th September 1888 in a middle-class family in Puducherry, Tamil Nadu. Was appointed as a professor of philosophy to the King George V Chair of Mental and Moral Science at the University of Calcutta. He was appointed as Paulding Professor of Eastern Regions and Ethics at the University of Oxford. The position was specifically owned by H.N. Spalding in 1936. Radhakrishnan was nominated 16 times for the Nobel Prize in Literature and another 11 times for the Nobel Peace Prize. He was highly admired and respected by his students. In 1921, he was en route to Mysore railway station from Mysore University. His students had arranged a flower deck carriage to take him to the destination. During his tenure as a vice president, Radhakrishnan was in charge of Rajya Sabha upper house sessions, leading to the Indian delegation to United Nations Education, Scientific and Cultural Organization. Dr. Radhakrishnan claimed as a chairman of UNESCO's Executive Board in 1948. Radhakrishnan taught at various colleges from University of Mysore to University of Calcutta. He passed away on April 16, 1975. And I would like to quote an important incident in his life, which not only makes him a great teacher, but also makes him a great leader too. Once there was a young boy named Ramalulu from Andhra Pradesh. He had a great aim in life to become a doctor or an engineer, but unfortunately he was hailing from a very lower middle class poor family. His parents were unable to pay the fees of the school in which he had studied once. And once he wrote a letter to the then President Dr. S. Radhakrishnan claiming some financial help so that he can pay his fees and attend the school examination. The letter was written few weeks later, still there came no reply from the President. So one day he himself decided that he is going to take the living certificate from the school by himself. He went to the office with a heavy heart to attain the living certificate, but to his surprise, the school authority and management told him that the fees has been paid by the President himself. Okay, so this is an example that how a president should be. He should be attending to the cause of the common people, and he will surely inspire our future students to become someone like him. Thank you.
Thank you, Rahul sir. Now, our respected Swamiji will shower some blessings on us. Sri Sriji Swamiji.
Good morning and Jai Swaminarayan to everyone. Today all we are celebrating Teachers Day. तो आज हम टीचर्स डे सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं। तो ये टीचर्स डे ऐसे नहीं कि बच्चों को पढ़ाने के लिए, लेकिन हमें आज आप सब स्टूडेंट का वो पता चलेगा टीचर्स जो है वो जब स्टूडेंट्स को पढ़ाते हैं तो तब उन लोगों को क्या क्या दिक्कतें आती हैं। जैसे हम सर टीचर जैसे पढ़ाते होते हैं, स्टूडेंट्स लोग जो आवाज़ करते हैं, जो कुछ भी करते हैं, वो सब आज आप लोगों को एज ए स्टूडेंट्स यू विल रियलाइज दैट व्हाट वी वर डूइंग व्हेन टीचर वाज टीचिंग। तो आज उसके लिए आप लोगों को टीचर बनाया जा रहा है और आप सब क्लास के अंदर पढ़ाने जाओगे तब आप भी ऐसी डिफिकल्टीज फेस करोगे। और टीचर्स डे ऐसा नहीं कि 1-2 दिन बनाया जाए, नहीं ऐसा नहीं। टीचर्स डे शुड बी लाइक दैट कि हम एवरीडे टीचर्स डे बनाए। टीचर्स डे इट मीन्स टू गिव नॉलेज, किसी ना किसी को हम ज्ञान दें, उसका नाम टीचर्स डे बोलते हैं। तो कभी ना किसी भी दिन हम थोड़ा बहुत, हमारे में जितना ज्ञान हो थोड़ा बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ा, तो हम अपने से छोटे हो बड़े हो जिसको ज्ञान की ज़रूरत हो उसको हम ज्ञान दें। इट इज़ नोन एज टीचर्स डे। मैं दूसरा ज़्यादा समय नहीं लूँगा, सिर्फ उतना ही कहूँगा कि भाई हर एक दिन किसी ना किसी को हम मददरूप बने, उसका नाम टीचर है। थैंक यू। जय श्री।
Thank you, Swamiji. Now, I would like to call our respected principal sir to enlighten us with speech.
Respected Swami, teachers and my beloved children, Jai Swaminarayan and very good morning to all. Students, as we know that even teachers also told Teachers Day we have tomorrow, but because of the Sunday, so we are celebrating today as a Teachers Day. You know, teachers, what is the importance of the teachers in our life? You know, parents also they say my child listen to the teachers only. So teachers, they have great and important role in everyone's life. Sometimes, you know, you feel out of the track, the teacher is only the person who is guiding us and who is putting in our goal in the right track. So our duty for the teachers is to respect. And today now you are also acting as a teachers today. So you need to understand what is the pain the teachers they are taking to teach you, to handle you, to maintain the discipline, to guide you. So there is multiple roles which teachers are doing. And in that return they want just respect only. That is what I told you yesterday when I was talking to all the 12th class students. So respect the teachers. And one more thing, even in our Shastra, हम लोग के शास्त्र में भी यही बोलते हैं, if you are respecting to the person, then you will getting everything. If you are not respecting to the person, you will lose the interest in the subjects, you will lose the interest in your target, and you're not going to achieve anything. So, if you want to take anything from any teachers, you have to respect. Okay? And in this corona, I think 18 months are over after this lockdown, after this COVID-19, and we have experienced teachers, how they have came up with a new and new technology saving and all. They have learned, they have tried hard, they manage the classes through online. And what is their goal? They want to reach out to the last student. So my student should not lack with their studies and all. That was the goal. I'm not saying about our school. This is all over the world. We have seen many incidents in the world. The teachers, how they worked hard, how they have given lessons, explanations to the students by working very hard. Because same time their family also there and their children also is there. So both they have maintained with this corona. So you can learn lot of things from the teachers. So even today you are going to act the teachers. So as the role which we have given, you are going to take the classes after this assembly. Okay, and the time schedule, time slots also we have kept. We have 5 periods, 40 minutes each. This period is already, I think, gone 10-20 minutes. So, but no problem. This period will be short, first period will be short, then after that period will be continued. There is no any problem. And after that, we'll assemble here only with the acting teachers. So we have group photo after this assembly, okay? Because after that we don't have time, because as per the corona protocol, we have to follow all these guidelines which is given by the this government, central government, state government. So that's why we are not celebrating on the large scale. Otherwise, we would have called students also here and we have celebrated like last year we used to do. Okay? So for this, we just regret for this. Okay? So we are not able to celebrate on the large scale. Thank you all of you. Thank you. Happy Teachers Day advance.
Thank you, sir. Now, I would like to call Mitali ma'am for pledge.
Good morning everyone. Jai Swaminarayan. Get ready for the pledge. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall respect my parents, teachers, and all my elders, and treat everyone with courtesy. I pledge my devotion to my country and its people. My happiness lies in their well-being and prosperity. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Mitali ma'am.
Now, Poonam ma'am is going to tell us something about the Teachers' Day.
Good morning to one and all present here. As we all know, we have gathered here to celebrate Teachers' Day. Yes? Aren't you happy? Aren't you happy? At least raise your hand. Show me that liveliness in you. I can see some smiles on girls' face through their eyes. Okay. So, why do we celebrate this Teachers' Day? Anybody? Because 5th September is declared as Teachers' Day, so we are supposed to celebrate it. What's the reason behind it? Any one of you? Come on. Any of the teachers would like to say? Nobody? Anybody? Please try. Okay. So we generally say that we are celebrating Teachers' Day for honoring our teachers, correct? In respect of our teachers. So we can say that in the pursuit to honor the teachers for their help, guidance, to help for the students to succeed in their life. Firstly, I would like to thank my heartfelt gratitude, my heartfelt gratitude to each and every teacher over here for being a ray of hope in the life of students. And I salute all the teachers, because this was the toughest time wherein teachers have not even imagined that they can impart the knowledge from their houses. It's very easy to say work from home. Yes, earlier even I used to think, any time in my life I'm not going to get a chance to work from home. Why? Because it's not possible for us. But yes, we teachers have proved it wrong. And that's the reason we are also included as the COVID warriors. And I'm proud to be one of them. I salute all the teachers. I would like to quote, "A teacher takes a hand, opens a mind, and touches the heart." I hope you understand this quote very well, because though there is Google, though there are other internet browsers that we are using, but still we need a teacher for guidance. Thank you all.
Thank you, ma'am. Now, a special thanks to our respected Smriti Swami and Principal Sir to guide us, and heartfelt thanks to all my teachers who spend their time, energy and love to care to educate our children. Now, last but not least, we all end up with our assembly by the national anthem.
You also join all closest to back. Dinesh, Vijay, Abhishek.
Get ready for the national anthem.